Hello everyone and welcome to another Elliott Wave forecast chart of the day video. My name is Eric. Today is the 17th of February around 8:30 p.m. Eastern Times, and here we go with another video. Chart of the day is a session within Elliott Wave forecast in which every day we present to follower one of the instruments that we cover in Elliott Wave forecast. You want to see charts of the day, you go to elliottwaveforecast.com, you scroll down a little bit and you're able to see here the latest 1 hour charts and the forecast for the instrument. Yesterday was Amazon. Today is gonna be oil. Oil has been in a very big pullback. It peaked back on a March 2022 around a 130, and since then oil has been sideways to lower. We don't believe that the structure is still completed due to the fact that from here up to here it is showing a 5 weeks decline. But we believe that now we are in the connector before the final push lower that will renew the outtrend in oil. So here's the 4 hour chart. It seems very clear. 5 swings to the upside in the black degree. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. And now we are in the process of a B-wave pullback. A B-wave is taking a form of an ABC, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 backs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And right now, oil should be on the C wave here in black of the B wave. The 1 hour charts of oil show the structure from the peak over here, in which we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, followed by 7 swing higher in a B, 5 weeks decline here in red, a 3 weeks put back in blue, and another lead. Expectation is oil to trade lower within the next few sessions, looking for a target in oil that it comes between 60.50, 57.20. In these areas, buyers should step in oil, and they might take oil all the way higher into around the 70 area, in which seller will enter the market again. As it say, a very well-defined Elliott wave path. 5 weeks in black makes A, 3 weeks put back in black makes B, and now after 5 here with the 3 backs and a marginal new low, the sellers are in control, looking for 60, 50, 57, 20. That's the view of oil using Elliott Wave. And if you like the way we look at the market, you can always try us. 14 days for just $9.99 here, right? So that's the view for today. And oil, see you guys around. Thank you guys all.